Ito nga pala ang Redmi Note 14 5G at official na ito na pinakilala sa India. At kung gusto nyo malaman ang specs, features, and estimated price nito, pakitapos lang ang buong video. Meron siyang 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution. May 120Hz refresh rate at may 240Hz touch sampling rate. Meron siyang Widevine L1 certification with 2100 nits peak brightness at ito ay may Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection. Ang Redmi Note 14 5G ay may operating system na Xiaomi HyperOS based on Android 14 with MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra na may IMG BXM8256 na GPU. Ang smartphone na to ay may 6 or 8GB of RAM plus 8GB virtual RAM with 128 or 256GB of internal storage. Expandable siya via microSD. Pagdating naman sa optics, ang Redmi Note 14 5G ay may 50MP Sony LYT600 main camera with OIS plus 8MP ultra-wide camera plus 2MP macro camera with LED flash at may 1080p at 30fps video recording. Meron naman siyang 20MP selfie camera with up to 1080p at 30fps video recording. Ang Redmi Note 14 5G ay may 5110 mAh battery capacity with 45W fast charging. Meron siyang in-display fingerprint scanner at ito ay may dual stereo speakers with high-res audio and Dolby Atmos. Sa kanya naman dimensions, meron siyang 162.4 by 75.7 by 7.99mm at may timbang na 190 grams with IP64 dust and water resistance at ito ay may hybrid dual SIM. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, NFC, IR Blaster, headphone jack, OTG, and USB Type-C. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa kanyang estimated price. Ang estimated price ng Redmi Note 14 5G ay around 12,300 pesos. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa ito magbago kung sakali magiging available ito sa Philippines. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Sulit ba ang Redmi Note 14 5G? Please comment down below. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video natin ngayon, please like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat!